idea to change your profile picture on YouTube. So, firstly, let's go to the YouTube. After that, you need to tap on your profile. From there, you need to tap on YouTube Studio, or otherwise, you can directly tap for View Your Channel. And let's say it will take you to the channel of your page. And in this, you can tap on your camera button, or otherwise, you can tap on Customize Channel. So, let's say if I tap on this camera icon, it will directly take me to the page where I could access my channel, and that is channel customization. From here, if you could scroll on to find the picture which is below the banner, in that here it is recommended that you use a picture that at least 98 pixels, and for MB or less you can use PNG or GIF. So make sure you are following those picture rules and the committee guidelines of the YouTube. And if you need to change that, you need to tap on change, and after that it will recommend you for changing. After that, if you tap on publish, that could be changed. This is how you could change profile picture on YouTube. Thank you.